Dan Soy, back to the Dan Soy kitchen. This is chef inspired meal number 3, I think it is. It's Hawaiian pineapple tacos. So today we're going to use flour soft tacos, red onion, crispy jalapeno bites, Cajun spicing. We're going to have cheese. We got pineapples. We have grape tomatoes, and we have a lime. I have both pans. Stuff I need to cut and dice, cutting board. And there's the 14 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast. So we're going to do that. This is like a easy recipe. And it's a touch of Mexican and Hawaii. But it's basically the Hawaiian pineapple tacos. So we're going to get this all together. Thanks for visiting my kitchen. And thanks for spending time with me. My kitchen is small, but it's cozy. And we take this journey together. Alright, we're back, folks. We got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. We have the splash guard that saves a lot of time. While the chicken's cooking in the olive oil, that guard will protect the olive oil from spraying all over your stove and counters, so you have to clean it later. So those things only cost a couple dollars. So I'm going to actually dice it. I'm going to peel this onion and dice it, and then I'm going to put this chicken in the pan, and I'm going to cook it on medium heat, 5 minutes on each side. And then when it gets closer to the second time when I have to flip it, I'll add the onion to that. Hello, we're back again. I made a mistake in that last message to you. There's the boneless and skinless chicken thighs. We don't cook it 5 minutes on each side. Sorry about that. We're gonna cook this 5 to 7 minutes. I got red onion diced. Right now it's on medium, so I'm gonna let it cook for a couple minutes. And you can see that splash guard. That thing is really nice. I just picked it up the other day. It'll prevent it from going all over the stove. But we're going to cook that chicken 5 to 7 minutes. But right before it's done, we're going to throw the onion in. But we don't want to put it in too early so it gets overcooked. Yeah, we're back here again. It's been like 3 minutes since we were cooking it. Like I said, I have the diced onion, and the chicken is still in there. You can hear it sizzle. I have it on medium heat. Like I said, you can cook it 5 or 7 minutes. It depends on your stove and how you want it. But there's the chicken. We just need to give it a little bit more time. And then we'll toss that diced tomato in there. And then the other stuff will come together. We'll make the salsa. And you're not that far away. Alright, so it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to throw the onions in there. Oh, sorry, the finger's in the way. That's the thing about live cook, no edit. Alright, so we're going to let that cook another 2 or 3 minutes. It all depends on your stove. My stove is cooking slow today, so I might have to cook this for 8 minutes. I definitely don't want to eat chicken that's not cooked. Alright, so the onion's in there, and our chicken's browning. So I got it a little bit under medium. I'm just trying to slowly cook it. I don't want to overcook the onion, but with your stove and your preference of food, you just have to determine what's best for you. There's no right or wrong answer. Basically, there's just the ingredients and whatever works for you and your family. So we're going to let this go another minute or so, and then we'll make the salsa, the Hawaiian salsa, and then we just put it in the soft tacos. So we're all set. Alright, so I got the chicken on low right now just to keep it warm. It's basically brown and cooked. It has the onion in there. If you want, you can just keep the onion raw and add it to the tacos and have more of a flash of color. But I diced all the tomatoes, the grape tomatoes, and we're just going to throw them in our mixing bowl. So the next thing is to do is take the pineapple, and we're going to dice that, and then we're going to put it in that bowl. Alright, so we're back again. I got the pineapple. We're going to throw it in there with the tomatoes. And you can see how that comes together. We're just gonna mix that, and the only thing we got left is the cheese, the tortillas, the lime, the things, and I have the seasoning. I have to put the seasoning into there, the Cajun seasoning into the chicken. All right, if you want now, we can put the Cajun spices over top of this chicken and mix it together. That's if you want. I'm not really into it, so I'm just going to add a little bit to that, but do what's right for your taste. All right, we got the lime cut into 4 sections. We got the pineapple tomato salsa. The only thing we got left is the soft tacos will fill the jalapeno crispies. We're going to smash them and put them on in the cheese. Right now, I put the Cajun spices in there, and it's cooking. So basically, we're almost done. We're just going to turn that off in a couple seconds. And then we're going to fill the tacos and it's done. Alright, so we're back. We got the soft tacos, our plate, the cheese, the salsa, the lime. You're going to put the lime on the plate. You can either spray lime juice over the tacos or just keep them there. Here's the jalapeno crispies. You're just going to smash them because you're going to put them on top of the tacos. That'll give them a little bit of kick and extra taste. So we're gonna load them up and we're done. All right, so we're back. We're gonna just put some of the chicken into each thing. Then we're gonna add some cheese. Then we're gonna add some of the salsa, pineapple and tomato. So we have everything in our tacos. Now we're gonna take these jalapenos and spread some of that on there, and we're basically done. We just have to wrap these. If you wanted to warm these things before, you could have, but we still got some more, and now we just wrap them and they're done. So thanks for visiting my channel. This is Chef Inspired Meal 3, Hawaiian pineapple tacos. It's really easy. And thank you for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you 2 or 3 times a week. God bless. Peace out. Love you.